thinking I found my paradise. Sipping sangria with the sun blinding my eyes. And it feels like a dream, but it's really my reality, yeah, yeah. If you think I'm asleep, you can keep living in your fantasy, yeah, yeah. In your bed.
Happy birthday, Gianna Pulin!
Wish ko sana lumaki ka ng malusog and malayo sa sakit, and also may takot sa Diyos.
If you think that I'm not hot, living on the beach, driving fast cars is something you need. When money can't buy what you get for free, when money can't buy what you give to me. Champagne popping, yachts in the sea, living that life is not what it seems. 'Cause money can't buy what you get for free, no money can't buy what you give to me.
Happy birthday, Viviana!
Not enough money in the world to change my mind. And I feel
May lahi ka ba, Chinese? Ay, opa!
reality, yeah, yeah. You can tell me I'm dreaming to wake me from my fantasy, yeah, yeah. I'll stay forever young. We've only just begun.
Nakuha yung name na Gianna and yung Pulin po.
Actually, it's a combination of our ideas. Parang yung Pauline kasi is galing sa kanya and the Gianna is coming from me, and it's a Bible word yung Gianna. So JP din kasi nga Jonard and Paula.
Happy birthday, baby, Ana. Ang wish ko sa iyo, healthy palagi at respeto sa kapwa, magalang, at higit sa lahat, may takot sa Diyos.
Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in.
Wish ko lang para kay baby is good health and safety lang palagi.
You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out.
Family day ang Sunday, pero you really have the time pa din to show up today, and we really appreciate it. Thank you so much, everyone.
Right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding,
Happy birthday, Gian.
Okay, makakauwi ka na. Ay, ilang taon na po si Ma'am? 18. 18!
I will do everything for you.
Happy!
Ang wish ko kay Yana is stay beautiful and healthy, and maglaki siya ng mabuti, and maging hindi niya kalimutan si Tito, no be?
Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
Huwag kalimutan ang mga titas and titos! Yay! Very smart siya. So, kahit maliit pa lang nakikitaan na namin siya nung pagiging matalino niya. And very sweet. Yun nga lang, medyo makulit na din. Pero, alam namin na lalaki siya na very loving and very happy.